Welcome back to Six Studies, Discovering Together. I'm your host, Kathryn Sie, Research Compliance Coordinator at the Stress in Pregnancy Lab. In our last episode, we talked about how air pollution affects kids' development. Today, we are diving into another invisible threat, the chemical hiding in our everyday plastic. Joining me is Labiba Aziz, a brilliant undergrad student who just defended her thesis on how prenatal exposure to BPA, a chemical found in plastic, can shape a child's emotion and behavior. Labiba, welcome.
Thank you so much, Kathryn. I'm so excited to be here and share this research.
First, let's unpack your thesis title. It's a mouthful, but super important. Your study is called Prenatal Bisphenol A Exposure and Child Temperament, the role of multi-system physiological functioning at 18 to 24 months. Wow, in plain terms, what's the big question you are trying to answer?
Yeah, science titles are usually never short. But basically, I wanted to know, how does exposure to bisphenol A, commonly abbreviated as BPA, a chemical in plastics, while a baby is still in the womb, can affect their emotions and behavior as toddlers? And more importantly, can their body's natural stress systems protect them?
BPA is everywhere. Water bottles, food container, even receipt. But how does it actually reach a developing baby?
Great question. So BPA sneaks into the mom's body through food or touch, crosses the placenta, and then it's part of the baby's environment. And since babies are these tiny superheroes in training, their stress systems, like the fight or flight response, are still setting up shop. BPA can mess with that process.
Okay, break it down for us. What did you find?
We looked at two things. The first one, called the cortisol or the stress hormone, and RSA, a fancy term for how well the heart calms itself. Turns out, kids with low stress hormones and high RSA, so kids with good stress buffers, can handle BPA exposure like champs. They were better at managing tantrums or sadness. But for kids with high stress hormones, BPA hit them harder, even if their hearts were good at calming down.
Wait, so stress hormone can override the body's calm down system?
Exactly. So think of it like an overwhelmed babysitter. If the kid is already screaming, high cortisol, even the best babysitter, high RSA, can't fully calm them. But if the kid is chill, low cortisol, the babysitter's job is way easier.
These feel urgent. What can parents do?
First, swap out plastic containers for glass or stainless steel, especially for hot food or drinks, since heat leaks more BPA. Second, stress management for parents and kids matter. Mindfulness, playtime, and green spaces help keep cortisol in check. And finally, advocate. Support policies that ban BPA in products. Kids can't choose their environment. We have to do it for them.
Labiba, thank you for this eye-opening chat about the hidden way plastics shape our children's emotional world. As the poet Maya Angelou once said, we delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but rarely admit the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty. Your research help us protect those delicate transformations. To our listener, knowledge is power. Share today's episode. Tag us on Facebook and X at SIP Study or visit sipstudy.org to learn more. Until next time, remember, the smallest changes, like swiping a plastic bottle, can ripple into a healthier future for our little voices. Breathe easy and stay curious.